Ivia Duluzomo, Wabivenege Hai. Hello, my beautiful Edo people. Good to see you again. It has been a while on this platform. I am back, and all thanks to God, and we are starting afresh. So make sure you stay to the end of this video because you are going to learn something very interesting. Origberai Olaba na tie 1 2 3 Edo. My moboro no my bena yawe egogo he. Egogo ni ma yawe bena onyo time. Bena ya egogo what is the time? How do you know the time in Édo language? So araye the understanding of egogo iya swelledene. So subsequent videos I get practical no so we may do up to 3, 4, 5 videos so that we can understand it very well. Na make na ikakabo understand. So nage so they were my if you have not started following us, please subscribe, follow us depending on the channel or platform you are watching us from. I am Waila Novine, and this is Learn Édo Language with Orine. So let's look into our video for today.
Ona edotie egogo, a clock or watch. Egogo, a clock or watch. It is used to check time. Ege. It is used to check time. Ege. So time is actually ege. Why the object, the clock, is egogo, alright. But most of the times when we want to ask what is the time, we will not say ege not to, we will say egogo not to. Yaga egogo not to. Go and check what the time is saying. Go and check what the time is. Alright, so they are used interchangeably. Our focus today is the hour and the minute hand. Some will just say the long hand and the short hand. No, obo no time wo kekewe obo nekbeku na yage gogo. Okay, that is the long hand and the short hand. Nekbeku no ro ayage ege no tu a egogo no tu awe egogo patune egogo evatune. That is, the short hand is the one that tells the hours, whether it's 1 hour or 2 or 3. All right. Then obonota no ro, the long hand edotie ifwine. Ifwine, that is minutes. Ifwine, minute. All right. So that counts the minute, while the shorter one counts the hour. And that hour is referred to in the Édo language as the egogo. Egogo patu, egogo evatu. That is 1 o'clock has reached, or it is 2 o'clock, and all of that. I do hope you have found value from this teaching. We are going to be looking at the practical aspect in another video, how to tell the hour hand and the minute hand in a practical way. All right, so look forward to this video when we drop it, and if you have not subscribed, please do so. God bless you. Bye.